Hi fam, what's good? My name is Alfred Odipo and I welcome you to another amazing episode on my channel. My content revolves around travel and lifestyle, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing for more amazing videos. And kindly fam, be sure to watch the videos till the end, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Please fam. Everyone was making fun of me because I am a better swimmer. Jokes. Anyway, today was a random day. We had zero plans and we had maximum fun, and here is what went down. So here we are in Savana resort in Milimani. We are in Milimani and this place is called Savana. It was a pretty sunny day and just came to cool off. I'm not good at swimming yet. Very soon I'm gonna be the baddest swimmer around. Watch me, watch me. Yeah. Guys, this is lovely, isn't it? Yeah. So the place is called Savana in Milimani. This is the bar area. It's quite chill today. Not so many people are here. And that's one of the reasons why we prefer to come and relax here. And that is it. So after here, we're gonna see what to do next. So here, the place has some very nice gazebos outside, surrounded with these amazing plants, well trimmed. So when you're here, all that surrounds you are these beautiful plants, and then there are small pathways in between, so you can walk from this one to this other one. Yeah, there's also this cottage here. No cottage, gazebo here. Well hidden. I like it. And it's so private. And you can still walk out. Hi, Kari. You can still walk using this small pathway to the pool. Yeah. So that's it. So let's go and change and see what's next for the day. After our swim, we decided to go and have lunch at this local hotel called Mama Kolo, just opposite the county assembly of Kisumu. Oh, After lunch, I had a few errands to run, after which I took a motorbike to catch up with my friends by the lake. This is Kisumu Dunga Hideout. So I just walked into the entrance. That's the entrance. And then now I'm walking in. So it has two entry points. There's this one with the beautiful art drawings. And then there's the other one there, just next to it. So let's walk this side first. This is somehow the outdoor chilling spot. Looks so cute. And then they also have boat rides in case you're interested. There's also music here. And then these are the seats. So the other space is indoor seating space. So there's a photography space. This is Lake Victoria. And then there's this net here. So guys can chill here on the nets. And then this is now the indoor sitting space. They also have games here, pool tables, so if you're a fan of pool you can play as you chill. And these throw pillows, so you can sit on the throw pillows as well. Those are my friends. I'm seated on these nets right above the water, and they go all the way to the other end, and having my beer. Baby, hey, baby, pana. I like water, baby, pana. And the weather is so chilled, by the way. It's a bit sunny, a bit cloudy, a bit windy. It's amazing. Now this was my quiet moment by the lake. Just me, my ice cold beers, and the birds drifting across a wide open sky. No noise, no rush, just peace. Guys, I just walked down to the shore, just next to the lake. And then there's the main road at the far end. Look at the kind of trees here. They look like the coastal trees. I also had the time to do my mantras. This is so calm, reflective, and grateful moment for me. Huh? Guys, this is the United Mall in Kisumu. Consists of very many shops. There are restaurants here. You can see this KFC, textbook center, Miniso. That is Miniso, the building you see there. And it's drizzling a bit. So we're here to grab some KFC. Just walking behind slowly. My friends are ahead of me, but we're gonna catch up. So all these are stores that are here. These are the Lintons. Yeah. That's been it, guys. See how random days turn into something beautiful. I enjoyed every single moment of this day. So until next time, I have to love and leave you. I pray for many more random days like this.